The number one gift for somebody who loves technology and has a lot of gadgets is a power bank. So if you have somebody in your friend circle or in your family who's fond of gadgets and has a lot of gadgets and accessories around their house, a power bank is an ideal gift for them if they don't already have one. Now, power banks are available in various sizes and charging capabilities, but we will recommend a few of them, and our favorite is the Xiaomi Power Bank Pro. Now, this one is really compact, has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, and can charge up to 22.5 watts from the USB-C output. This is great for charging phones that do support fast charging, but also for other devices that do support USB Type-C. For other gadgets, you do have the other standard USB ports as well, but the compact nature and quick charging and discharging from this power bank make it our favorite. We will list this one along with several other products in the description below, and stay tuned till the end of this video to see a lot more interesting gifting options for this end of the year special. If you're liking the video so far, don't forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment below telling us which one is your favorite gifting option out of our list today. Let's move on to the second product. Another ideal product as a gift for somebody who has a lot of gadgets, especially if they have tablets and laptops and computers, is a good quality Bluetooth keyboard. Now, keyboards come in several options, including folding keyboards and small compact form factor keyboards, but you can also gift a full-size keyboard. Now, we've looked at several of these over the years, and we'll leave our favorite in the description below, so you can go check those out as gifting options. But more importantly, you can also gift a keyboard combo, which does include a mouse as well. So that will also work with tablets as well as laptops and PCs. So a good option as a gift for somebody who's an absolute nerd is a keyboard combo. Now, who doesn't love a good quality speaker? And that makes a really impressive gift as well. Now, speakers are available all the way from 500 rupees, and you can spend as much money as you want on them. But a good ideal speaker will have a good amount of features, which means that you can have a compact speaker with waterproofing or some sort of water resistance and Bluetooth connectivity. A cool option is the Sony speakers. They do offer the ability to become a stereo pair, which means that you can take two of these and convert them into a stereo speaker set, which is great for listening to music in a stereo environment. These are also water resistant and are extremely rugged and sound amazing, have a lot of bass as well. These, along with a few other options, are listed in the description below. Now, TWS earphones are another option. If you don't want to gift a speaker, you can give a good quality TWS as an option. Now, we've checked out a ton of TWS earphones over the past years, but this year, a few interesting ones did come out. These ones from Redmi are highly recommended, along with the Nothing Ear One. And if you want to go slightly higher, you can pick the OnePlus Buds Pro. But an ultimate gift for somebody who's an iOS device user, especially an iPhone user, is a pair of AirPods. Now, you can pick from the newer generation AirPods 3, or you can gift a really high-end AirPods Pro with noise cancellation and spatial audio. Depending on how much money you want to spend, TWS earphones are an excellent gift. We'll leave our favorites in the description below. Another good option is a soundbar. Now, soundbars are available in several options as well. So if somebody's bought a new television, gifting them a soundbar is a good choice. And you can buy soundbars as low as 2,000 rupees, and they go all the way up to lakhs of rupees. Depending on your budget, you can find a good central position. The Mees soundbar is a good option, and we'll leave some others in the description below as well. If you're feeling extremely generous and you want to give a nice gift, and this gift could be to yourself as well. So if you're feeling generous towards yourself, a gaming console is an excellent gift. Buy me a PlayStation 5, please. If not, then buy your friends or family a PlayStation 5. And if not, if they've already bought a new console or a new gen console, a good gift would be to buy them an extra controller. Now, Sony's come out with these nice multicolored galaxy of colors controllers. So you can buy a PlayStation 5 controller not only in white, but you can gift a red one or a black one. And you can go check out my video where I extensively detailed these controllers. But if the person you're gifting this controller to owns an Xbox, then don't buy the PlayStation one, buy the Xbox One. We'll leave links to both of these in the description below as well. Another good option as a gift for somebody who's a gadget freak, especially if they don't already own a pair, is a good quality headphone. Now, there are several headphones again available from all the way 500 rupees to all the way whatever money you can spend. but we do have a good amount of recommendations for you in the description below. We really like these Audio-Technica M20Xs. These are one of our favorite headphones and we use them in the studio every day. We also have the M40Xs. Now we use them as editing monitoring headphones, and both of these are wired headphones and a good recommendation as a gift. Again, we'll leave some recommendations in the description below, but if you want to find out our best recommendation for the best pair of Bluetooth headphones, they are the Sony XM4s. These are truly the 4th generation of the best Bluetooth headphone that Sony has been selling for years. And these are not only comfortable for long periods of time, but offer really good noise cancellation and a really wide spectrum of audio with a lot of customizations from the app. So definitely go check these out if you're in the range of these headphones, which is around 20,000 rupees. And you can also pick Bose's latest generation of Quiet Comfort headphones. Again, we'll have all of those listed in the description below as well. Another good gift is a smartwatch. If somebody is not into smartwatches yet, a good way to get them started is to buy a smart band or a fitness band. But if they enjoy watches, then a smartwatch definitely makes for a good gift. We'll have a list of some smart bands and watches that we do recommend. But if you have somebody who is an iOS or an iPhone user, the Apple Watch makes for an excellent gift. I wear one every day, but you do have a lot of price options now with the Apple Watch. So you can start as low as the Apple Watch 3rd generation, which is quite a bit old with respect to its release date, but it still offers some of the best watch capabilities on a smartwatch today and makes for a fantastic gift in a much lesser price than the latest generation Series 7 Apple Watch. You also have something in the middle, the Apple Watch SE. So all three of these definitely recommended for somebody who is an iPhone or an iOS device user. But Apple Watches now work without iOS devices as well. So they also make for great gifts for Android phone users. But you can also pick other smartwatches. Again, we'll leave some of the recommendations all the way from a budget watch all the way to the Apple Watch. So check them out and go buy them, gift them to your friends and family and loved ones. A fantastic gift for somebody who's outdoorsy and is also a gadget freak is a action cam. Now GoPro is definitely one good option, but we recently checked out the Insta360, and this compact camera makes for a great device for somebody who's outdoorsy. Not only can you capture 360-degree videos, but it stabilizes them really well. And we've used them in our final shoots for cars several times. So it makes for a great product for capturing good quality video. It records up to 5K resolution in 360 and up to 2K in a standard single camera mode. Definitely worth a gift for somebody, and they will truly cherish and enjoy this as a gift, and will thank you for years to come. So a great gifting option is this, and this is something that we use quite frequently as well. Now we've already mentioned this several times in this video, but if you know somebody who's a gadget lover or a technology freak and you want to buy them a good gift, if they don't already own one, he or she will truly appreciate a good tablet. Now there are several tablets that you can buy. Again, they vary in price, but the undisputed king of tablets from the very beginning has been the iPad, and the iPad mini this year is a fantastic gift. It's compact, but it's really powerful, has one of the most advanced processors on the inside and can do a lot of things. You can go check out our full review for the iPad mini. It's highly recommended as a gift end of this year. So if you're buying a nice gift for somebody in your family, your husband, your wife, your kids, your father, mother, the iPad mini is a fantastic option, especially for somebody who reads or somebody who's working from home. This is a fantastic way to get through your emails, get through a book, or even watch some content. Definitely recommended, the iPad mini. Now we here at iGyan love vacuum cleaners, and one of the best gifts that you can buy for somebody this new year is a Dyson vacuum cleaner. Now we've gone through almost all the latest generations of the Dyson vacuum cleaner, and this is one of our favorite gadgets to have in the office, and I have one at my house. And I've gifted several of these. These make for excellent gifts. They come with several attachments, are completely cordless. And if you're somebody like me who likes cleanliness and likes keeping things in an organized fashion, this will definitely help with at least one of those aspects. The new Dyson V11 Pro also comes with a detachable and replaceable battery. So you can have several batteries and they charge separately as well. And these are compact, powerful, and really useful tools, and we highly recommend them. So this makes for an ultimate gift for somebody who's a tech nerd, will definitely appreciate the V11 Absolute Pro. And that completes our list for best gifting options. Again, everything that we've listed in this video will be in the description below, along with our recommendations for alternatives for everything. And if you enjoyed this video, like I mentioned, drop a like because it helps us a lot, and smash the subscribe button along with the bell notification icon, and drop a comment and let us know which one was your favorite through the list. This has been Bharat. I'll see you guys in the next one.